Hey everyone, welcome to day one of our AI development series. Today we are setting up the essential tool you need to build real world AI applications, tools used by modern developers. Okay, we are going to install a powerful AI ID that's called a Cursor, and the next is we are going to install a fast Python package manager that's called a UV. Okay, and once it is done, we will connect everything to OpenAIs and API. So these are the steps I already written here. So let's start. So the step one is installing Cursor IDE. Okay, to install the Cursor IDE, there is a link. You can click on this link, and this link will be open here, and you can download it. Sign in with any Google IDs or any other ID also, it will work. The next stage is you have to install the UV package manager. To install UV package manager, there are two options. The first one, directly you can click on this link and install it. Otherwise, if you have already pip installed in your machine, simply you can click on pip install UV basically. Okay. Once installed, you can use UV instead of PIP or PIP ENV. Okay, now gets open AI API key. So these are the third steps. How to get it? You can just simply click on this URL. If you already sign up, like if I'm already sign up, so I don't need to sign up again. So I just click on the login. Login with any Gmail ID. Suppose I'm using this one. Okay. Now what you can do, you have to take some key, like you have to create a key here. But before going to create a new secret key, what you can do, you can click on this setting. Okay, so there is a section that is called a billing. So by default it will be a $0. So you have to add some credit limit here. So you can just add a payment details here. Give your card numbers, the name and card, everything you can add here. And once it is done, so the basically minimum amount is $5. Minimum amount $5 is required to use API key. Okay, so once you're done with this billing, you can create a API key here. So to create a API key, what you will do, click on create new secret key, add anything, test key, select projects, default projects, and once you click on a create secret key, it will create key here. You can just copy it and paste somewhere in your notepad. Okay, that's it from API key section. The next is once you done with the open AI API key, what you need to do it, you need to install a project basically with UV. How you will do it? So we have a command that's called a UV init. So what I will do, open your Cursor ID. Once you open your Cursor ID, here let me clear, this is a previous one. So by default it will open like this. Okay, so what you have to do, you can just click on this toggle panel, and in toggle panel this terminal will open. Let me keep both side by side. Okay, so first we need to we have to enter with our projects. Okay, how we are going to create our folders. So in the projects we can create a one directory, make directory. It could be a my AI sample project. Okay, so I'm just creating a one directory. Let me enter. Once I enter, I have to move inside the folder. So cd my AI sample project, my AI dash sample dash project. Okay, enter it. Once you're done here, like you can open it. How to open it? There is a icon, open projects. So my AI sample project is selected here. Open. Okay. Once it is done, again open toggle panel. So your cursor will be in downside. Now what you have to do it, once you have to do a UV init. This command you have to run because I just created a folder. Now I have to run this command, UV init. Once I done with UV init, you can see there are 4 files created. Okay, one file is a like a py project.toml, which will tell what dependency we have installed. So till now, because there is no dependency, so it is showing blank. Okay, so in future when we will add a dependency, it will show here. So now your basic project file is created. The next one is you have to create a env file. Okay, after uv init, next step is creating a env file. So what is the env file? This file will securely store your API key. So to create a env file into our root directory, what we will do, we will just simply click on this new file button, and name will be .env, and enter. Once you enter it, this file will be open, and you have to keep your API key name, that is a OpenAI underscore API underscore key. Okay, and I copied that API key which I have created. I am pasting here. I think I didn't copy. This is this one. Okay, so it could be anything. So make sure you have to use your API key. Okay, so I pasted here basically. So that's it. Open API key is already added. I install UV init, UV package manager. Okay, so that's it for today. We have installed Cursor. We have set up a UV and securely configure with your OpenAI API key. So in the next session, we will write a small Python script that talks to GPT, something interactive and useful. Okay, make sure everything works and your API key is ready. See you in the next class.